Alright, Brad at Performance Unlimited, your dyno tuner on the dyno today. We have a 427 Windsor. This is our 535 package. This thing is a real beast. These 535s, I swear these things are wonderful. Beautiful torque lines, beautiful horsepower lines. They always perform amazing, just like every other motor here. But these especially, these are just wonderful motors. If you're looking for a Windsor, power your old Mustang, Bronco, F-150, F-250. This is the motor, and give you that torque right off the hop, right off 3 grand. Boom, nice straight lines, close to 600 torque. These things are monsters. This has all forged internals. It's got ARP head bolts, AFR heads, Edelbrock intake. Has the whole 9 yards on here. Has the CVF Racing valve covers on here. CVF kit on the front of this thing right here. It's a red block right here. This customer wanted red. It's going into a 70 Mustang. It's going to really move that Mustang. If you have any questions about any of our high performance motors, do not hesitate to give us a call. We'll be happy to rock your ride, make some lines, paint some lines on that road. 1-800-267-3940.
Fire it up for you right now. How's that? That's how a motor's supposed to fire up. Oil pressure's fabulous. AFRs are sitting where I want them. Carburetor's sitting. I dialed it in perfect. Let's make some ponies. Oh, baby.